for today we are going to try another recipe of brownie that I found from Pinterest. So we need 1/2 cup of flour, 1/3 cup of cocoa powder or cocoa powder, and then 1 cup of sugar, then 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Then mix the dry ingredients. Is we will add the wet ingredients. So next I add in 1/2 cup of oil. Next 2 eggs, lightly. We will add 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor, and then mix. So we will be using a rice cooker in baking this. But first we need to grease the pot. So if you do have a cooking spray, then you can also use that, or like I'm going to just add a little bit of oil in my tissue paper. Then line it with aluminum foil or parchment paper. So now it's on the warm setting, so let's check. Still not done, so we have to check it again, but you have to wait for a few minutes, because if you press it right away, it will just go back to warm setting. So I removed the pot out from the rice cooker. So let it rest there and let it cool first before you transfer it on the plate. So all in all, I pressed my rice cooker 7 times. Now to know whether the brownie is already cooked, you can use a knife or a toothpick. Let me show you how it looks. So it has to come out clean. Little crumb is fine. It gets stuck, so I had to scrape the side with a knife. So I suggest you add or grease the sides generously with oil just to avoid the same situation. Make sure there's no aluminum foil left. So the brownie is actually fudgy. As you can see, it's soft. And the next step is optional. I'm going to pour chocolate syrup on top. I have a tutorial on homemade chocolate syrup. If you want to learn how to make, here's the link, or you can just use store-bought chocolate syrup. So my sister sent me a bunch of this, so might as well use it and get expired. So add generous amount of chocolate syrup on top. Then I just added nuts on top. You can use whatever nuts you have. You can even use chocolate chips or colorful sprinkles or miniature marshmallows. I'm going to try one. that's it guys. Hope you guys like it. Please visit and subscribe to my channel for more DIY projects. Thanks for watching. Bye.